Video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sales receipt from the customer page in QuickBooks Online. When a customer pays you on the spot, a sales receipt records the sale and the payment in one step. It's the quickest way to capture money you've already received without creating an invoice first. Start by opening QuickBooks and heading to the left menu. Click Sales to open your sales workspace, then choose Customers. You'll see your customer list. Find the one you're working with by scrolling or using the search bar, and open their profile so everything stays tied to their history. Working from the customer page helps you keep related transactions together and makes future lookups easier. At the top right of the customer page, look for the button that says Create Invoice. Click the small arrow next to it and select Create Sales Receipt. This tells QuickBooks you're recording a payment that's already in hand. Before adding items, quickly confirm the customer details. Make sure the name is correct, the billing information looks right, and the email address is where you want the receipt sent. Clean details keep your records accurate and your communication professional. Now add the product or service the customer purchased. Choose the item from your products and services list. Check quantity, rate, and any applicable sales tax, and adjust as needed. If you track classes, locations, or need a memo, enter those now to keep reporting precise. Double-check the income account and tax category if you recently added the item, since those drive how it appears on reports. Next, select the payment method. Pick how the customer paid, cash, check, card, or bank transfer, and, if available, add a reference number. Choose where to deposit the funds, such as undeposited funds or the correct bank account, so the receipt lines up with your bank records during reconciliation. If you regularly deposit to a specific account, setting that as a default can save clicks later. When everything looks good, click Save and Close. QuickBooks creates the sales receipt, links it to the customer, and records the payment immediately. You can always share a copy later, but the transaction is already captured. That's it. Creating a sales receipt from the customer page is best for recording payments instantly. It keeps your workflow fast, your books accurate, and the customer's timeline complete, without the extra step of generating an invoice first.